this is Chelsea Baker, professional cosmetologist of 5 years. Today I'm going to show you a Joan Jett makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So Joan Jett's makeup is very simple, very natural. I'm going to take a light white eyeshadow and apply that just underneath the brow to draw the eye a little bit and define the brow. I'm then going to take a black eyeliner, and you can use pencil, liquid, cream, whichever you prefer, and I'm going to apply that in a line from the inner corner of the eye to the outer corner of the eye, just along the lash line. I'm then going to take a nice pink eyeshadow and apply that underneath the cheekbone, and just nice sweeping motions for a little bit of definition and color. Her look has changed a lot since the 80s. I'm then going to take a nice nude lipstick and apply that all over the lips for just a touch of color and to plump the lips just a little bit. And there you go. And that's how you get Joan Jett's makeup. If you have any more beauty questions, feel free to ask. See you next time.